Today I'm going to teach you some basics about the Finale program and how to create your own compositions and pieces of music. So Finale 2011 is installed on your computer, so once you open it you're going to get to this screen. Alright, your first step is going to be go to the File menu, New, and you'll see a couple of options. The Document with Setup Wizard is where you can get very creative with your composition. You can change the time signature, you can change the instruments that you want to use, you can start out with the time signature that you specifically want to use. But for my purpose, just to give you the basics, I'm going to do a default document. When you open a default document, you can see that it gives you treble clef and basic 4/4 time signature and a couple measures. Alright? So we'll start with the measures first. Let's say you want more or less measures than this. The first thing you need to do is click on the measure tool, which is up here in the top, on the toolbar in the top. Click on the measure tool, and then once you click on the measures you have different options. Okay, so let's say you want to delete measures. This is just too many. So I'm going to go and I'm going to delete the last 3 lines. I'm clicking on the first one, holding down the shift key and clicking the last one. I want to delete those 12 measures. Once they're all selected and highlighted, all you have to do is hit the delete key and boom, they are gone. Now let's say, oh shucks, I deleted too many. I want one more back. Well, click on any one measure. Or let's say you want 4 more back. You didn't realize you wanted 20 measures, or 16, 17, 18, 19. You got 19 measures. You wanted 23, so you need 4 more. Click on any measure. It really doesn't matter. It could be this one, could be this one. Let's click on this one. Right click, and then go down to Add Measures. And then you can add as many as you want. We said we wanted 4 more, so type in 4, and click OK. And there's your 4 measures. And then the document will automatically move the final bar line to the end for you, so you don't have to do that. Okay? Now, adding music. You add music by clicking on the Simple Entry tool. Now, there are 2 entry tools up here. One Simple Entry, one Speedy Entry. When you get familiar with this program, I would recommend using Speedy Entry. That's what I use. There are shortcuts on your keyboard that you can use to type in notes faster. Rather than dragging notes over to the staff, you can just type them in, which is a lot quicker. For now, we're going to do the Simple Entry. So click on the Simple Entry toolbar, and then you can click any one of these notes over here on the side. Okay, and then basically, let's say you click on a half note. Now your cursor becomes a half note. Let me get rid of this. Your cursor becomes a half note. Now you can put the note wherever you want. You can put it way up here. Okay, or you put it way down here. Now you didn't really hear it for the first one because it was way up there, but when you click on a note and add it to a measure, it plays that note briefly. So I'm going to actually drag this one. You can hear that, of course. Down, and now Finale actually prevents you from adding more beats to a measure than is allowed. Say for example, I'm trying to put a whole note when I've already got a half note in that measure, and it won't let me. So you can't mess up with this. Alright, now let's say I wanted to add a flat to a note. Well, I've already got my quarter note. Now I'm going to go down here and also click on flat, and now I have a quarter note with a flat in front of it. Okay, and if I want to take it off, I just click on the flat sign again. Same thing with sharp, same thing with natural. Okay? There are some other tools, but we don't need to really get into detail with those for now. Right now, you just have the basics of adding music to a score. Now, you want to listen to it. You want to see what your creation sounds like. You're going to go up here to the playback menu and simply hit play. For some reason mine didn't play right away. Let's start that over again. There we go. Alright. Not my best work to date, but it's an example. So there you go. There's the Finale basics. Next video will show you how to add some articulation and some expression markings.